Hello, in this video I want to show you how to download Steam on Lenovo Legion laptop. To do this we'll need to open our browser. Here in the search you can open any search engine however you like. I'm gonna go and enter Steam. And here we want to open Steam store and make sure that it's their official website. And in the top right corner of the screen there's a green button and it says install Steam. Download it. When it's ready, click on the X file and click yes. Then proceed with the setup. Choose your language, choose designation where the Steam should be installed. And when it's ready you can run it. It will download some updates, but then when it's ready you'll be able to log into your account. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.